October is really living up to its name. As you can see, we are both green on the 7-day chart. We are green over the last 24 hours. Red, slightly red over the last hour here as crypto prices are bouncing around a bit. But nonetheless, a very green day today with Bitcoin up, Ethereum up, XRP is up, BNB, Solana, Dogecoin, Tron, Cardano, going down the list. It's all up today. Looking very good with Litecoin up 6%. That's not a bad move at all. But we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu coin because a lot of people are wondering whether or not SHIB can reach that 8,800 point per coin all-time high again. We're going to be looking at volume analysis to see what it says about it. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, I do want to say thank you for watching the videos on this channel. I am unable to post on my other channel. YouTube gave me 2 strikes. They will not tell me why they gave me those strikes. Personally, I think they don't want you guys making money off cryptocurrency during this bull market rally. But hey, I might be a little biased because I'm mad that they gave me those strikes and won't tell me why. Nonetheless, click that subscribe button if you guys want to continue watching the videos. It won't be until maybe mid-December that I'm allowed to post on that other channel. So I do thank you guys very much for the support here. Now let's jump right into it. It says that Shiba Inu coin saw a 5% surge on Wednesday to kick off the new month of October in the green. This was not caused by any development that was unique to the meme coin, but rather a rapid surge in the Bitcoin price, which took most of crypto market along with it. Nevertheless, it was a welcome change for a dreary September that saw Shiba Inu coin's price fall below 1,200 points per coin. But as the recovery moves forward, we got to take a look at the volume and see what levels that it's pointing to. Now, I agree, right? Shiba Inu coin looking very good over the last couple of days, bouncing off these bottoms here. September was a very difficult month for not only Shiba Inu coin, but the rest of the crypto market. October, though. It's nicknamed Uptober for a reason. Now, I do want to be very clear with everybody. Let's take a look at Bitcoin here. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. Go on, look at some of the top meme coins, top altcoins out there, and Bitcoin itself, right? You can't see it, but this was November, December of 2013 here, and Bitcoin peaked out, okay? Going into November, December of 2017, Bitcoin peaked out. Going into November, December of 2021, Bitcoin peaked out. Going in to the same cycle on the 4-year time frame, Bitcoin could peak out. So please be very well aware of where we are in that 4-year bull market cycle, and this month could end up leading to a FOMO rally and a potential peak. But with that, right, we've got a lot to be excited about because historically speaking, Bitcoin does very well in October, and then of course, you know, can see some intra-month highs in November, but nonetheless, Ethereum and altcoins as well. Ethereum has performed 50+% during bull market cycles in October, which means that we could be seeing an altcoin rally like never before, and Ethereum could be busting $6,000 or more per coin. And if that happens, I do expect a potential peak. I do expect a meme coin rally. I do expect an altcoin rally, and Shiba Inu coin could be nearing all-time highs. Okay, now that is in an extremely bull market scenario. So let's see what it says about its volume. It says, using volume data from the CoinGlass website, it gives a clear view of participation from crypto investors when it comes to Shiba Inu coin and how the meme coin is performing relative to time of rapid acceleration. At the current level, there is still a lot to be desired, especially as Shiba Inu coin trading volume remains quite low. Data shows that SHIB's daily trading volume is averaging around $200 million back in September, and this was low compared to previous months. It also coincides with a drop in participation and bearish sentiment that plagued the market, especially towards the end of the month. Now, despite starting out on a bullish note, the month of October hasn't seen much change either. CoinGlass data shows over $150 million in trading volume at the time of writing, similar to CoinMarketCap's $206 million, taking into account spot trading volume. It says what this means for the price of SHIB. With low volume, it suggests that Shiba Inu coin's price is not yet ready for a big rally. Looking at historical data, it shows that the times when the biggest rallies have happened for the meme coin were when large spikes in volume occurred. And if you go back to Shiba Inu coin in 2021, this is true, right? $205 million being traded over the last 24 hours. But if we go back to this time frame right here, the volume, guys, 24-hour volume, look at this, $7.15 billion, $7.9 billion, $3 billion, $2 billion, $1.6 billion. And as a matter of fact, I do remember looking at the daily charts back then, it peaked out at $40 billion, 24-hour volume. That is absolutely incredible. A massive increase from where we are right now. And this happens very, very quickly. Okay, I want you to keep that in mind. If you look at this, about the same volume we have right now, 200 million, 500 million, 200, 300, 500, 600, starts to increase, right? And then out of nowhere, 3.5 billion, 2.3 billion, 15 billion, 8 billion. It's something that you almost can't time, right? You have to be willing to accumulate while prices are consolidating. And that is exactly what I'm doing. Now, one of the places that I own Shiba Inu coin is the KCEX exchange. You guys got a link for that down in the description below. And you can trade on up to 75x leverage if you want. KCEX has literally the best selection of crypto that I've seen in the United States. But on top of that, you're not going to get better fees. 0% maker, 0% taker fees. So please understand that you're not going to find better fees on meme coins. It's 0% maker, 0.01% taker on major altcoins and Bitcoin. So make sure to check it out. Do not forget to diversify. I've been buying these tiny little tokens as well in anticipation of a major FOMO rally. Let me know what you guys are buying down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.